When you think of luxury and relaxation, why should our furry friends be left out? In the midst of our busy lives, every pet parent dreams of a haven for their furry family members. Introducing about Paws Grooming Hotel, where your pets receive the royal treatment they truly deserve. Every stay is crafted to ensure that your pet feels right at home. Spacious suites, regular playtime, and meals tailored to their needs. Our state-of-the-art play areas are designed to keep them active, engaged, and most importantly, happy. And it's not just about a stay. Our grooming services will ensure your fur baby is looking their best. From a relaxing bath to a trendy trim, our professional groomers are here to pamper. Our dedicated team is passionate about pets, trained to provide the utmost care and attention your pet deserves. Heading out of town? Need a safe haven for your pet? We're not just a hotel. We're a home away from home. I always felt guilty leaving Bella when I traveled. But seeing her happy and playing here? It's a weight off my shoulders. Max comes back from his grooming sessions looking like a superstar. About Paws Grooming Hotel, because love, care, and luxury isn't just for humans.